Hey guys, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a look at the Air Max 3 Archetype by Nike in the bright Crimson colorway. This released on the 10th of December 2020 here in the UK for the retail price of £140. Quick disclaimer, this pair is 100% authentic from Sneakers and Stuff. Big thanks to them for the raffle win, and it comes with your blacked out OG Air Max 3 box, rather than the classic red and grey one seen on the infrared release of 2020. The style code is DC7856100, and inside the box comes the shoes in white wrapping paper. No extra accessories on this pair, but an extra set of laces and OG anatomical arch support inserts would have been nice, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. Originally dubbed the Air Max 3 until 2000's retro and renamed to the Air Max 90, 2020 marks the 30th anniversary of Nike's classic Air Max release. This time Nike released the Archetype pair inspired by the OG infrared with a more prototype/sketch aesthetic. This can be seen in the clear plastic overlays, rough cut edges, contrast black stitching overlays, smooth suede paneling, black nylon hits at the heel, finished off with the classic mesh toe box rather than the slightly glossy one seen on the OG. Other nice details include the OG style size tag behind the tongue, as well as the cotton red striped Nike Air branded insoles. This shoe screams Nike Off-White the 10 2017 meets the 2020 Nike Air Max 90 infrared OG. The sleek Air Max 3 design provides a better shape, feels lighter, and overall more comfortable than recent retros of the last 5 years. Sizing wise, these fit true to size, they provide decent all day comfort, but this isn't really a running shoe of choice, but it's good for casual use. So the question is, are these the 2 pairs minimum? I'll have to give this a 0 pairs minimum because I decided not to keep these, therefore it's not really a mandatory pickup, but if you're an Air Max 90 collector, I'll think this will slot right into your collection. But overall, this is a very nice pair, and I wanted to share my thoughts on this release. So here are my thoughts, now it's time for yours. Did you manage to pick these up? Did you miss out? Or did you pass? Let me know why in the comments below. Thanks for watching, I really appreciate all the love and support. Like many people, I had a tough 2020, but this is a new year, it's a great opportunity to have a fresh start. So happy new year guys, hope you and your family are safe. Don't forget to comment free to show me you watch this video to the end. Please like, subscribe and follow me if you like more of this content. Apart from that, have a good day.